Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Have you noticed water around the base of your heat pump? It's normal to see condensation around your heat pump, which can vary based on humidity. But if you want to check for a leak, there are a few options you can try before calling for service. The easiest way to determine if you have a water leak is to use chlorine test strips. Use one strip to test the pool water to ensure chlorine is actually present. Then use another strip to test the water around the heat pump. If no chlorine is present in the water around the heat pump, then there is no leak. Another easy way to determine if you have a water leak is to buy a 1-ounce bottle of OTO, or orthotoluidine, from your local pool store. First, squeeze a few drops of the OTO into the pool water. Notice the color changes to bright yellow, indicating there is chlorine in the water. Then, check the water coming from the heater for any color change. No color change means no chlorine. No chlorine means no water leak. Do not try this with chlorine reagents from a DPD type test kit. These can give a false positive result. Another way you can check for a water leak is to turn off the heater while making sure that the filter pump continues to run. If the water coming from the heat pump tapers off and then completely stops within a few hours, then there is no leak. But if the accumulation of water continues around the heat pump, then you might have a leak. If you determine that there is a leak in your heat pump, or you still aren't sure, contact your pool service company or give us a call at 800-878-0998 to schedule a service visit, or visit us at aquacal.com.
Thanks for watching.